Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to solve 2004 Regional Mathematics Olympiad problem, and it is a combo problem. As you can see, you have to prove that the number of triples A, B, C, where A, B and C are the subset of this set, are satisfying the following three constraints. The constraint first is what? A intersection B intersection C is 5. Okay, and the second constraint A intersection B is not 5, that is there exists at least one element which belongs to both the set, or else we can say that A and B are not disjoint set. Similarly, B intersection C is not equals to 5, and the number of triples A, B, C is 7 raised to the power n minus 2 into 6 raised to the power n plus 5 raised to the power n. Okay, this is actually the problem. Okay, let's get started with the solution. Okay, I am going to solve this problem by using the method of inclusion and exclusion, PI, principle of inclusion and exclusion. Okay, so let us draw a Venn diagram. This is a set A, another set B, and C is a set such that A intersection B intersection C is 5. That is, there exists no element common to all the three sets. This is the set A, this is the set B, and C is something like that. As you can see clearly, there is no space common to all the three sets. Okay, now if we define the regions, suppose this one is the first region, only A, only B is the second region, only C is the third region, and A intersection B is the fourth region, B intersection C, this one is the fifth region, and this one is the sixth region, and the element which lies outside the circular region is the seventh one. Okay, so there are overall 7 regions. Now you can put each element in any one of the regions, and you have to make triples ABC such that all 3 constraints are satisfied. Okay, so what we can do, number of triples equals to, first you suppose that if there is no restriction, then each element has 7 choices. You can put the element 1 in first region, second region, third region, fourth region, fifth region, sixth region, and seventh region. Okay, if there is no restriction, then each element can be put in 7 ways. So 1 can be put in 7 ways. Similarly, the element 2 can be put in 7 ways, the element 3 can be put in 7 ways, and so on. The last element n can be put in 7 ways. So each element in 7 choices, then total number of triples 7 into 7 into 7, that is 7 raised to the power n. Okay, so in this counting manner, this condition will hold. Okay, because we have counted the total number of regions is 7, but now we have to subtract those triples where these two conditions are not satisfied. Okay, now we have to find the number of triples when A intersection B equals to 5. When A intersection B equals to 5, that is fourth region is empty. Fourth region is empty. So in this case, each element has now 6 possibility. Now there are 6 regions in which you can put each element. So the element 1 has 6 possibility, element 2 has 6 possibility. So when the A intersection B is 5, then obviously the number of regions will be 6 raised to the power n. Okay, this is a case when A intersection B is equals to 5. Similarly, considering the second case when V intersection C is 5, that is when the region 5 is empty. When the region 5 is empty, then each element has again 6 choices, and there are n elements. So the possible number of triples are what? 6 raised to the power n. And this counting is corresponding to the case when B intersection C is 5. And I think you are aware about this formula. N of A union B is what? This is equals to N of A plus n of B, number of elements in set A plus number of elements in set B minus number of elements common to both. Because the reason is very much clear, you have to count this circular region, and if you counted this complete region, and again you are counting the whole set B, it means that this common region is counted twice. So you have to subtract this common region n of A intersection B. So in this counting, we have supposed that A intersection B equals to 5. This counting is corresponding to this case. This counting is corresponding to this case. Now the case when both regions are simultaneously empty, when this is empty and this is empty, so this counting is included in both the cases. So we have to subtract that case one time. Okay, so when both regions are empty, then each element has now 5 choices. So the possible number of triples are what? 5 raised to the power n. What we are going to use here? We are going to use we are using actually pi, principle of inclusion and exclusion. Then obviously number of triples are what? 7 raised to the power n minus 2 times 6 raised to the power n plus 5 raised to the power n. Okay, hence proved. Thanks for watching.